Yo, what is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We are almost at 500 subscribers. I just want to thank all my OG subscribers for tuning in and sticking around. And if you're new to the channel and you just clicked on the video, hit that subscribe button. Help me hit 1,000 subscribers this year. But anyways, yesterday we put in the new hybrid racing shifter. I drove it around for a while, and it's amazing. It shifts like butter and gauge is so smooth. But today we're gonna install the new hybrid racing detent springs. It's a $20 upgrade for your transmission. This should help the engagement feel a lot more crisp. So the installation shouldn't take no longer than 20 to 30 minutes. So let's get to the video. I'm gonna just run through the gears for you guys. This is a good upgrade already. So by adding those new detent springs, those stiffer springs on there, should make the engagement feel a lot more crispier. So let's get to that. Getting a drain pan just in case oil comes out. I'm gonna slide that under. All right, so we're under the car. There's the transmission. The detent springs are located right here, and then there's one right above it. So this transmission is a B series cable transmission. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my drain pan under in case any oil come out, and crack those bolts loose. Here's the new detent springs from Hybrid Racing. Comes with 3 springs, and there's an installation guide if you go onto the Hybrid Racing website, and I'll let you know how to install it. But yeah, we're just going to be using 2 springs out of this package. So far, there's no oil coming out. All right, you guys. You also have 2 little balls. So this is OEM. See how soft that is. And here's the new hybrid racing spring, which are supposed to be a lot stiffer. Yeah, I can't even press down on that with the same force and clamp. This is all you do right here. Put the new spring in. All right, let's go install them. So I get the downshift with like 2 fingers.